2024 copyright. AP Biology Simplified. All rights reserved. Welcome to AP Biology Unit 2, Cell Structure and Function. We will be covering 11 topics in this unit. 1. Cell structure. Subcellular components. 2. Cell structure and function. 3. Cell size. 4. Plasma membranes. 5. Membrane permeability. 6. Membrane transport. 7. Facilitated diffusion. 8. Tonicity and osmoregulation. 9. Mechanisms of transport. 10. Cell compartments. 11. Origins of cell compartments. These are the 11 subunits, as delineated by College Board, for Unit 2 of the AP Biology exam. I will combine certain subunits when reviewing for simplicity. Let's get started. Topics 2.1 and 2.2, Cell structure, subcellular components, and function. Objective. By the end of this lesson, you will have a clear understanding of the structure and function of subcellular components and organelles. We will go over 14 components of the cell and then finish with 3 common misconceptions and mistakes made on this unit in AP Biology. Cells, the fundamental units of life, contain various subcellular components and organelles, each with specific functions crucial for the cell's survival and operation. This lesson will explore the key organelles within cells and their roles, providing insight into the intricate machinery that drives cellular activities. First, cell membrane. Structure. It is its semi-permeable lipid bilayer that surrounds the cell, controlling the passage of substances in and out of the cell. Function. It acts as a barrier, providing structural support and facilitating communication with the external environment. Second, nucleus. Structure. A membrane-bound organelle containing genetic material, DNA, organized into chromosomes. Function. Controls cellular activities by regulating gene expression and serves as the cell's control center. Third, nucleolus. Structure. Small, dense region within the nucleus. Function. Responsible for assembling ribosomal subunits and plays a key role in ribosome production. Fourth, endoplasmic reticulum. Structure. A network of membranes, either rough with ribosomes or smooth lacking ribosomes. Function. Rough ER synthesizes and processes proteins, while smooth ER is involved in lipid synthesis, detoxification, and calcium storage. Fifth, ribosomes. Structure. Tiny, non-membranous particles made of RNA and protein, found in the cytoplasm or attached to the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Function. They serve as the site of protein synthesis, reading mRNA instructions and linking amino acids to form proteins. Sixth, Golgi apparatus. Structure. Stacks of flattened membranes, cisternae, resembling pancakes. Function. Modifies, sorts, and packages proteins and other molecules for secretion or delivery to specific locations within or outside the cell. Seventh, mitochondria. Structure. Double-membraned organelle with an inner matrix and cristae, which is the folded inner membrane. Function. Powerhouse of the cell, generating ATP through cellular respiration, providing energy for various cellular processes. That's 7 of the 14 cell subcomponents. You're about halfway. You're doing great. Eighth, chloroplasts in plant cells. They are a double-membraned organelle containing chlorophyll and other pigments. They conduct photosynthesis, converting light energy into chemical energy, like glucose, and releasing oxygen as a byproduct. Ninth, cytoskeleton. We will cover 3 main cytoskeleton elements, denoted 9A, B, and C. 9A. Microtubules are hollow tubes made of tubulin protein subunits, forming a polar structure with distinct plus and minus ends. They have 3 main functions. First, intracellular transport. Microtubules serve as tracks for motor proteins like kinesin and dynein, facilitating the movement of organelles and vesicles within the cell. Second, cell division. Microtubules form the mitotic spindle, ensuring accurate separation of chromosomes during cell division. Third, structural support. Microtubules contribute to the overall structure and shape of the cell. 9b. Microfilaments or actin filaments. They are thin, solid rods made of globular protein subunits called actin. Microfilaments also have 3 main functions. First, cell shape. Microfilaments help in maintaining cell shape and provide mechanical support to the cell's plasma membrane by forming the cell cortex. Second, muscle contraction. In muscle cells, actin and myosin interactions during contraction are facilitated by microfilaments. Third, cell motility. Actin filaments are involved in cell crawling, a process called amoeboid movement, and in the formation of pseudopodia during phagocytosis. 9c. Intermediate filaments are fibrous proteins such as keratin, lamin, and vimentin, which form strong, rope-like structures. One main function is mechanical support. Intermediate filaments provide mechanical support to cells, especially in tissues subjected to mechanical stress, like skin and hair. Lamin intermediate filaments also form the nuclear lamina, which is a meshwork around the nucleus, providing structural support and maintaining nuclear shape. Those are the three main cytoskeleton elements. Now back to the 14 cellular subcomponents. 10. Centrioles in animal cells. They are paired cylindrical structures composed of microtubules. They play a role in cell division, organizing spindle fibers during meiosis and meiosis. 11. Lysosomes. They are membrane-bound sacs filled with digestive enzymes. They break down waste materials, cellular debris, and foreign substances, maintaining cellular cleanliness and recycling components. 12. Peroxisomes. They are membrane-bound organelles containing enzymes. They break down fatty acids, detoxify harmful substances, and produce hydrogen peroxide, which is converted into water and oxygen. 13. Endosomes. They are membrane-bound vesicles. They sort and deliver molecules taken up by endocytosis, directing them to lysosomes for degradation or recycling them back to the cell surface. 14. Vacuoles. They are membrane-bound sacs, larger in plant cells, smaller in animal cells. They store nutrients, waste products, and maintain turgor pressure in plant cells, aiding in structural support. 15. Common misconceptions about cell structure, subcellular components, and function. Misconception number 1. All cells have a nucleus. Correction. While most eukaryotic cells have a nucleus, red blood cells in mammals and sieve tube elements in plants are examples of cells that lack a nucleus. Misconception number 2. All cellular processes occur within organelles. Correction. Many cellular processes, such as protein synthesis, occur in the cytoplasm outside of organelles. Organelles provide specific environments for certain functions, but not all activities happen within them. Misconception number 3. The cytoskeleton is only for structural support. Correction. While the cytoskeleton provides structural support, it is also involved in cell motility, intracellular transport, and various cellular processes, making it dynamic and versatile. Great! That concludes topics 2.1 and 2.2, cell structure, subcellular components, and function for AP Biology. Next is topic 2.3, cell size. If you found that helpful and want to listen to the rest of Unit 2, you can purchase the audiobook and ebook down below. Good luck on your exams. I look forward to helping you learn more about biology, human health, and the nature of life on Earth, and helping you succeed in your AP Bio course. Thanks for listening.